Hi, today we'll look at this Chinese character for tranquility, jìng, jìng. So this is a very common Chinese character that you will see in Zen calligraphy or Buddhist calligraphy, because whenever we meditate, we want to reach to a tranquil state of mind, to become peaceful and calm. So this is the word Chinese character called jìng for tranquility. Alright, so you will see how this character is written on the right hand side of the video. I hope that you'll be managed to write this Chinese character, and especially when if you're interested in meditation, you practice to meditate and then write this character. It will help you to reach to a quiet state of mind. So please also check other videos that I made, especially for like meditation, Buddhism, Zen, these characters. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.